Okay, so here's another flashcard video. Today I'm just going to introduce the very popular weather flashcards. So when teaching weather, you probably already have a song or something that you like. So see if these match and try and use this with your song. So we've got sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy, and stormy. Okay, plenty of weathers to learn there. Now if you're teaching very young children, like super young, 2 years old, then I would just start with sunny and rainy and just have them, you know, is it sunny or is it rainy? Okay, once I've learned these, then maybe even do windy, because that's different. And remember, you can do actions with it too. So you probably don't want to blow in the child's face, but something like you can take one of the cards and flap it so it, you know, the kids can feel the wind on their face. And then you say, oh, it's windy. And then usually children might even copy you later on, like later on in the week. You know, they're showing their friends like, oh, it's windy or something like that. Then you can move on to snowy. And for advanced students, I would teach them cloudy and stormy. Please try to emphasize the rain. So rainy, do rainy hands. Okay, when it's windy, do windy, windy, windy. When it's sunny, do sort of hand actions and stuff like that. So these are the flashcards. These and also a poster chart, which I might pop up on the screen now, is available, and you just print that out, you laminate it, and you can stick the arrow, and every day you can ask how's the weather, and the children can answer. Okay, so I hope these were helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please try to comment and try to subscribe. Go to the website, download these for absolutely free, and share them with your friends. Okay, thanks very much. Bye bye.